about these colleges and they wanted to know more about these specific colleges. I won't be telling you which one is best, but I will be telling you all what I know about that specific college so that you can make an informed decision. So let's just take up all those specific colleges which you have asked for one by one. So let's begin with the BMMC Delhi Safdarjung College. Yes, exactly. I have heard a lot about that college. Most of the candidates who have done BPO from that college are performing very well. I have some friends from there. I have my seniors from there. So I must say that BMMC Delhi is one of the good colleges to choose if you are getting it. Then we will discuss about NILD BPO. Yes, it's one of the best out of 4 national institutes. How much I can say is most of the candidates whom I'm asking that which national college they will suggest, most of them answered NILD for bachelor's in prosthetic and orthotic. So if you are getting NILD, I would say that make an informed decision. Go and look for everything which you wanted in a college. Then make an informed decision, not just based on what you have heard from other people or from me. You just have to go and cross-check that is that the real thing which is there in that particular college. Okay, so then we will move on to next. If someone have been into CRC Patna. Okay, so one of a candidate is asking me about CRC Patna, and actually I have never got to meet a candidate from CRC Patna in real, so I can't give you any kind of review or feedback related to that, and even I'm not giving for any of the colleges which I have mentioned. I am just trying my level best to help you know that what I have got to know from my seniors or from my batchmates or from my other friends from other national institutes. Then someone asked me about DSMNRU Lucknow, and in real, even like in my institute, IPH Delhi, Pandit Deen Dayal, I just got to know that one of my senior is from that college. So she just told me that there is not a lot of practical exposure as such, but yes, you can take admission if you like all the things which you have to cross check before you are joining. So just get to know your colleges and the courses which they are offering, so what all is covered, and ask from the alumni first. Don't make a decision before knowing these things. Make an informed decision after collecting all the information and cross check it first and foremost thing. The last one would be let's just talk about SVNRIT. So yes, say something about AIIPMR Mumbai or Mobility India Bangalore. So in as per my opinion, I think these both institutes are way better than government institutes. I won't say that it's like comparing both, but I have friends in both these institutes and other rest of the national institutes. So I just have my, like, in my opinion, I think those candidates who have joined AIIPMR or MI Bangalore, they have much more deeper practical knowledge in clinics, like clinical stuff. I would say that they work more than government institute student know. So like conventional studies, apart from just studies, they used to practice and they emphasize on skills. So that is what which is very important when you do a course which is regarding skills. And when you start working on your skills, you will be able to even perform while you are in a company or a hospital, because that is what is asked from you. And yeah, that is very important that you are having an academic balance. And yes, both are needed. Apart from just knowing a theoretical knowledge, you have to even implement